folks. We're going to get a close-up of the action.
Look at that. You want to look at that queen and make sure she's okay.
I don't see a lot of movement in there. What do you think?
Queen's dead.
Queen's dead. That's so good. We have a dead queen. We'll be calling you, Dave.
Okay.
Okay, so
Ouch.
we dump them in without the queen.
They would probably be safer in there, don't you think?
I think so, because leaving them in that package, I'd leave the queen in there dead,
Yep.
and then we'll call Dave as soon as we get done here. Actually, we'll go to Gary's first.
Yeah, 'cause we may have
We
one.
may have another one.
And I need to
Check yours.
I'll call Pat and have her go out and check that queen.
Okay, so we're all ready to
Yeah.
go here.
Are we going to put food in?
Yeah, I put the food. Like he was gonna put the food down first.
Okay. Hold on, so see if I can do this without making a mess.
Don't worry about the mess. Somebody will clean it up. Hey, Dick,
Yeah.
you turn this excluder around so that bees can get in and out easier. See how he's got it?
This side.
A little water, a little sugar water, and then you're gonna hurt him. He'll like it.
They're just wetting the bottom. I'll wait until he's done before dumping him because I'm afraid I might dump him on his head.
You wouldn't do
That'd be fun.
that. Fellow beekeeper that he is. He wouldn't do that.
Oh, should we take the plug out of the end of that queen?
I wouldn't bother.
I wouldn't bother. Because it's not going to make any difference if they get her
I
out
see him
anyway.
crawling
She's
all
dead.
around her. They like the smell, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll keep him in there.
Okay.
Let's see the action now. Don't bang him on the wood of the hive. Just give him a tap on your hand. Bang. There you go. That'll work. And the cover's right there. Hey Dick, when you flip those bees in from the outside in.
Yeah.
Just with your hand, just flip them over. That's good. There you go.
Yep. With a little sliding action kind of gets them to move. Okay.
Oh, there's one done.
Good job.
Yep, you're good.
All right.